Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Delicious Madras. In Chennai, today is an awesome climate. It's a rainy day, so I decided to make one creamy mushroom soup. So without wasting much time, let's begin our cooking.
There are many ways a homemade mushroom soup can be made, but here I am showing you the easiest and quick way of making the homemade cream of mushroom soup. And I am not using any veg stock here. And for the cream, I am using the fresh coconut milk cream. Let's see what all ingredients are required for making this healthy soup. Mushroom 200 grams. Butter 50 grams, chopped shallots 50 grams, chopped garlic, homemade coconut milk cream, corn flour 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, kasturi methi 1 pinch. For better flavor you can use some mixed herbs. Required salt and 2 cups of water. Now let's jump into the recipe. Always make sure that you're using a heavy bottom saucepan or a pan for preparing this soup. Once the pan is ready, add butter and allow it to melt in low flame. When the butter has almost melted, then add garlic. By adding garlic in butter will give you more flavor for the soup. We can use garlic flakes or powder instead of fresh garlic. Now we can add nicely chopped shallots and stir it well until it's golden. Once the onions become translucent and soften, we can add our chopped mushrooms. I always wash mushrooms with turmeric and salt water. After that, I dry the mushrooms with a cotton fabric. Now saute well and let all the ingredients get combined together with the butter. Now we can add freshly crushed black pepper or brown pepper as per the taste. Continue stirring and along with that you can add salt. Keep on stirring to avoid the raw smell of mushrooms. Later I am adding mixed herbs. This bottle contains all mixed herbs like oregano, rosemary and other dried herbs, and each of which has high levels of healthy antioxidant. We can allow it to cook till the mushrooms becomes a light brown and wait till all the water dries up in the pan. Now we can see every ingredient has thoroughly cooked now. You can turn off the flame. Now I am adding 3/4 quantity of all these cooked vegetables and mushroom into a blender to prepare a creamy paste. You may turn on the flame now and add this mushroom paste into the remaining cooked mushrooms. Now it's the time to add 2 cups of water. Again you can mix everything thoroughly. For better flavor, we can add remaining pepper, methi leaves along with little salt. Combine it together. I'm using corn flour as thickening agent for the soup. Once the corn flour is added, you can allow it for simmer for 5 minutes and keep on stirring until it thickens. Now you can see it started producing the bubbles. Now it's a time to turn off the flame. Finally, we can add our homemade coconut fresh cream. It's fully depending on your choice. If you prefer whipping cream or a heavy cream, you can use that as well. Friends, our healthy and delicious mushroom soup is ready to serve now. Now you can pour the mushroom soup in individual serving bowls and serve with a smile. I always store the leftover bread crust, to make breadcrumbs or soup sticks. If you don't have a baked soup stick, to serve along with the soup, then I think this is the easiest way to make the soup stick with the leftover bread crust and little butter. Here I am serving a bowl of soup so deliciously creamy with tender bites of mushroom pieces. It's full of flavor with garlic, onions and other herbs, which complement the natural flavor of mushrooms without overpowering it. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please keep watching us. We need your support by subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching our video. Until then, bye-bye.